Hey guys, what's up? It's BeastBoy6999 back, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and use Minecraft resource packs, aka texture packs. So before we get into this, see how I have 1 subscriber? Can we get to that to like 50 at the end of this video? Yeah, that would be, personally, that would be like sick. So alright, without further ado, let's get into this. So we're going to go to resourcepack.net, and it's going to be in the description of this video, so you guys don't have to do anything. Just go in the description and click this link. It'll bring you to this page with thousands and thousands of resource packs. For this one, we're just going to do the Aquaman PvP. We're going to click on it, X out of that ad. See how it's like different from the normal Minecraft? This is what a texture pack does. It changes it. This one requires Optifine to be installed, so that'll be in another video how to get Optifine. But I'm gonna download it. It's gonna give me a .zip file. I'm gonna show in folder. I'm gonna extract it. And now that it is done extracting, it's right here. Alright, so now that you have your download resource pack right here, it should have the assets, pack, MC, meta, and pack PNG, which is just like the picture. So what we gotta do now is, this is the main step. You can close out of your search engine, but what we have to do now is we have to go to % app data %. Click enter, go to the .minecraft folder in your roaming thing. It brings us our Minecraft folder with all these stuff in it, all of these. Which one should I click? Which one should I click? Resource packs. If resource packs isn't there, then right click in the white, click new folder, name it all lowercase resource packs. As you can see, I have like 10 resource packs already in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the whole folder, yes, right into here. It is done. It is in there. You don't even need to extract it if you don't want to, but I recommend to. Now that it's in here, you can X out of that, load up Minecraft through the Minecraft launcher. Now that Minecraft is loading, please take a minute to subscribe, like, leave a comment, leave anything you need to know. I'll get to it, trust me, I'm not the busiest dude. Alright, I'm gonna go into single player, survival. I know what I'm doing because I'm a smart guy. Here we are. I'm in my world. We're gonna click on options, resource packs. Here are all the available resource packs for this. If it's outdated, it'll be here. Even if it's made for an older version of Minecraft, it'll still work. We are in Minecraft 1.16.5. I downloaded Minecraft 1.16.4. It's gonna be fine. It's fine. Click yes. Done. It's gonna go through the Mojang loading studios. Now we have a sick texture pack, and it just makes the game look better. I mean, that's kind of weird. I don't like that. But still, look at this texture pack. And then say we want to switch texture packs. We're going to put this one back. I'm going to use the Clarity 1.16.5, which is also on that website. I downloaded this earlier. Now the game has like a medieval feel. If there's any concerns or anything you don't know, please leave something in the comments. I'll get to it. Trust me, guys. FYI, this is for Minecraft Java Edition only. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching.